Hi, I'm Jamie from Collingwood Lighting. In this video, we're going to run through these industrial anti-corrosives. You may know these as non-corrosive fittings. These are used in a variety of spaces like garages, car parks, and any other industrial setting. These have been built to withstand tough environments. They are IP65 rated and IK 08 rated, which makes them resistant to water, dust, and high impact. Even if I stood on them, jumped on them, or knocked a forklift truck into them, it would be fine. It just goes to show exactly how robust the fittings are. This is a robust polycarbonate, and these here are tamper-resistant clips, which further protects it from its surroundings. The anti-corrosives are available in 3 lengths, each available in 2 widths, making them a perfect replacement of the T8 fluorescent lamp. The 3 sizes are 4 foot, 5 foot and 6 foot, and the 2 widths are single with 1 row of LEDs and twin with 2 rows of LEDs. This is the single 5 foot anti-corrosive, and this is the twin. Each of these differ in wattage depending on the level of light required. In new applications, the choice of length may be based on the size of the space they are being installed in. For example, bigger spaces can benefit from the longer 6 foot fitting, and the single or twin can be determined by the height of the ceiling or the required lux level for the tasks that are being carried out beneath. This range is 4000 Kelvin, which gives out a natural white effect. They're also flicker free, resulting in a much more comfortable working environment. Whatever the option may be, they can be retrofitted where applications of the length and width can be matched to the fixture. As well as different sizes, single and twin models, there is more. All of these come as a standard model or can come as a DALI option. Microwave version and emergency version, or microwave and emergency version. This here is a standard model. We supply this range in a microwave version and in just an emergency version too. The emergency version has 3 hours of power if there is a power outage. It will stay illuminated for a minimum of 3 hours, and the self-test feature will make sure that any failings will be clearly evident via the LED indicator. These are super efficient and have high efficacies of up to 155 lumens per watt. The higher the efficacy, the less energy it uses to produce the light output. It means that the energy saving per year and over the lifetime of the product are massive compared to traditional equivalents, and even when compared to LED equivalents. You can save over £9,000 per year than the typical T8 fluorescent lamps. There is a 5-year warranty and a 50,000 hour LED lifetime. Let's move on to the types of installation. There are various mounting options, so they can be surface mounted or suspended. The stainless steel mounting brackets and these hanging brackets are all supplied with each fixture. They can be surface mounted directly onto the ceiling, or they can be suspended if they are being installed in an area that has a high ceiling. There are cable entry points from either side and the back. This allows satisfaction for most installations. It gives the option to conceal the wiring behind the fixture or link them together via their loop-in, loop-out terminals. 2 compression glands are supplied as standard. One is fitted for you and the other one has a knockout if you choose to use it. These help to maintain the IP65 rating whilst also reducing tension on the cables. As you can see here, these are hanging clips. These help to hold the PCB board to the base, which is helpful when installing, so it doesn't come apart and causes less of an issue when installing. That's it on these anti-corrosives. If you want to know more about these, our sales team and technical guys are on hand to help.